I created a box called Robotics in a Box, which is intended for teachers in grades 4 through 8 to use in their classrooms to enhance their lessons. On the sides are pictures of some of the completed projects, and on the back I have a list of the projects included in the box, as well as some words to describe the box and what's inside. Inside the box are instructions for 5 robotics projects and 1 robotics event. The first project is the BristleBot, second project is the solar-powered Grasshopper, third project is the Chibitronics electrical circuits. The fourth and fifth projects are a coding activity and a Mars rover simulation. Their links are seen here. And the fifth thing inside the box is a robotics event. This one is for girls in grades 4th and 5th to create working BristleBots. Additionally, inside the box, there will be a CD which will contain videos showing the final product of each project and closed captioning notes that provide tips for putting the projects together. The CD will also contain lesson plans, student directions, and a cost sheet for each project. Lastly, there will be a hard copy of a curriculum overview that discusses grades the projects can be taught to, although all projects could be modified for different grades. The curriculum also lists standards covered, length of projects, inquiry questions for each project, and academic and technical vocabulary. The box can be utilized at various points throughout a teacher's curriculum. For instance, when my 8th graders learn about the solar system in the middle of the year, I can use the Mars simulation lesson, and at the beginning of the year with 6th grade, I can use the solar grasshopper or Minecraft lesson to teach about natural resources. The lessons are meant to be used as extensions on what the students are learning and to help reinforce the information learned in the textbook. Robotics is important in education because most of what students and everyone today use is technology-based. In order for students to use smartphones or play video games, there needs to be some form of robotics and coding involved. Exposing students to this will be beneficial in the long run because they will learn skills they can use in future careers, as well as learn how to work with others, use critical thinking skills, and problem solve effectively, which are part of some of the teaching philosophies I subscribe to, which are hands-on learning and being effective problem solvers. Students are able to be hands-on as they create a physical project that shows what they've learned, which is great for students with kinesthetic and visual learning styles. It also allows students to become effective problem solvers. Through the use of these projects, they learn that it's okay to fail and that there may not be one way to create the project. They have to identify the problem and different ways in which they can fix that problem, and through trial and error, they will learn to problem solve and create working robotics projects. I believe this box will be beneficial to teachers in both upper elementary and middle school, as it provides projects for their students to be creative and adds an extra element of learning to their curriculum.